Picture this: an underwater meadow that works like a giant, lazy vacuum cleaner. Seagrass beds don't suck things up, but they do slow the water just enough that floating gunk suddenly falls straight to the ocean floor. This tiny speed bump effect is so strong that scientists found seagrass meadows can clear murky water faster than many human-made filters, which means these quiet green blades secretly keep coastlines brighter, cleaner, and safer for the creatures living there. Stick around for more weird nature stories, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.